Hello guys, welcome to another video in my YouTube channel. In the past video, we discussed about DynamoDB, creating of tables and inserting value in it without using any SQL queries. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create an EC2 instance and using an Ubuntu server and how to run MySQL commands in that Ubuntu instance which we are going to launch. Hope you all open with your AWS console, and this is how the dashboard looks like. As we are all familiar with this AWS, first we need to create a VPC. In that VPC we are going to create a subnet. In that subnet we are launching an EC2. In that EC2 we can launch any operating systems like Linux, Windows and Ubuntu. We are going with the Ubuntu operating system in which we are going to run some commands. The commands that which we are going to run in this are displaying here. Further, without any delay, let's start. First click on VPC. So search for VPC. Okay, this is how the dashboard, it's taking time. Okay guys, click on create VPC only, and the name of the VPC was J network, and I am assigning an IP address to it as 10.0.0.0/16 and create VPC. In that, what we are doing, we are creating a subnet, right? So click on create subnet in which VPC JNet, and your subnet name, I am creating subnet only, and which available location, I am going with Asia Pacific Singapore location, and my IP address was 10.0.1.0/24, and I'm creating my subnet. Hope you guys all understood how to create a subnet, and we are going with the internet gateway. Create internet gateway to launch the connection to your EC2. So that, what's your internet gateway name? I am going with internet and create internet. In internet gateway, you need to attach your VPC address. So click on actions, attach VPC, and this is your, so attach internet gateway. Next, click on route tables. There exists one table, so click on it. Click on subnet associations. You have to edit the subnet associations, right? So click on edit subnet associations. This is your subnet and these are the route tables, so save on associations. Now click on routes. Click on edit routes. What you are going to do, you are going to allow all the ports. So go with 0.0.0, and you are allowing your internet gateway which you have created few seconds back, and this is its address, and saving the changes. Hope this is how we are creating our VPC, and hope you understood. Now you are going to create an EC2. So search for EC2, click on EC2. Your running instances are 0. So what we have to do, we have to launch an instance. So click on launch instance. What your instance name was, I am going with my instance name was EC2 only. What I am going to create, I am going to create an Ubuntu OS. So click on Ubuntu. Please check whether it was free tier eligible or not. It was a free tier eligible. T2.micro. If you doesn't have any key pairs, so create your key pairs. It's very easy, as I mentioned in my previous videos of creating EC2. So I have already existed a key pair, and allow your HTTPS and HTTP, and click here edit. You have to enable an IP address, so click on enable auto assign IP address. Along with these ports, you also has to ensure add MySQL and Aurora, so that click on where this MySQL, right? MySQL Aurora. Its port number was 3306 and the source type was anywhere. And you have to add another, so add security group rule. Click on MS SQL and its port number was 1433 and click on anywhere. Now click on launch instance. So view all instances. Your instance was pending, right? So click on this. So wait a second guys, your instance was not yet launched. Once your instance was launched successfully, we have an enabled option of connect. So click on connect. Next, click on connect. Hope your EC2 instance has been launched successfully. Oh, it's failed guys. You need to verify what might be the problem. It's due to some internet issues. It was running, right? I tell you in the very beginning of this video that we are going to run some commands, right? So what was our first command? Our first command was sudo apt update. Wait, click here. Sudo apt update. It is updating. It's take few minutes. Few minutes guys, you need to be patient here. Sudo apt install MySQL server. MySQL server. Now you are installing your SQL server. It also takes time. While doing this experiment, you should be with some patience because it takes time to install its server, to run commands. Hope you all guys enjoying these videos and learning AWS with me. Still it is in progress guys, it's still 82% only. I think few more minutes pending. It's almost done. Now you need to check its status, right? So run a command sudo systemctl status of MySQL. Status MySQL. See here, the status of your SQL was running status. Now sudo MySQL. Yes, see here, it's now in MySQL. You have to start it, right? So alter user root local host. MySQL native password. Admin 123. Oh, what happened guys? It was not run properly. There might be some error. Control C. What you are doing, you are alter user root at the rate of localhost identified with MySQL native password. MySQL native password by admin 123. Yeah, see here the query is okay and 0 is affected. Next, you run this command. Privileges. Yes, this command was also run properly. Now we are creating a database. So create, wait a second, create database. Your database name was college, so it's also run. Now you have to show database, right? So show databases, it's run properly, guys. See, the databases are college, information, schema, MySQL, and these are predefined, which was provided by MySQL. What we created, the database was college, and what you are using, use here, run a command, use, wait a second, you have to run a command, use college. I think it was stuck. Use hi. It was stuck, guys. Okay.